Okay. Oh, y'all. All right. Welcome back. Yes, I'm wearing one of my favorite sweatshirts, you guys. It's one of my favorites. My poor daughter over here, I feel bad for her. She has a YouTube channel too. I've told y'all about it at Spongy Gold. And again, I will link that in the description box below. But I really wish people would quit being negative on her channel. I don't know what's wrong with people. I really don't know what's wrong with people, y'all. I go by the Bible, do unto others as you'd have done unto you, right? And there's no reason to be nasty, but that's YouTube for you. And I've tried to explain that to her, that there are always going to be some nasty people out here. It's sad, but that's just how it is. But anyway, y'all, welcome back again to Misty's Pleasures of Life and Good Home Cooking. And remember, it's the simple things that make life so special. And I love that because I really believe it, y'all. I really believe it. Okay, so I am going to be making Christmas crack. It is going to be amazing. Have you all ever heard of Christmas crack? I know it can be done different ways. You can use graham crackers. You can use saltine crackers. All kinds of different things. There's all kinds of different ways you can make Christmas crack. But I am going to be making that today. Y'all remember, if you like the video, give me that thumbs up, comment, and share, y'all. Oh, don't forget to hit the notification bell. All right, let's get started with our Christmas crack.
Sitting by the fire, feeling oh so fine on this holy night. The Spirit guides us. All the stars, they shine on this lovely night. We light up the world, forget our troubles for a moment. And every stranger is a friend.
My poor daughter over here, y'all. She's getting, I don't know what's wrong with people. I don't know why they feel the need to say mean, hateful things. I don't, like, if you don't like something, move on. You don't have to be hateful about it.
I don't even think they even like the video. I think they just say hateful stuff just to get attention.
I don't know. But, I mean, it makes me, I told her, don't let that get to her, you know. She can't let that stuff get to her. All right, so we are going to arrange this first sleeve of crackers. But yeah, I think people are just mean. And I think social media has played a huge part in people's meanness. Because you know what? Let's be honest. People wouldn't say to somebody's face what they say behind a screen. And that is a fact. They're just not going to say it. They're not going to do it. Now, if you need to break some of these to make them fit, that is fine. Putting on the show for everybody to give them a smile that lasts another year. All right, now we're going to be making the homemade caramel sauce. And what you want to do, make sure, I always get confused on what I is what, y'all. So this other one. Okay, see that's coming on. All right. Now, I am going to spray my pot. Oh gosh, I hope y'all were hearing me okay. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make our homemade caramel sauce. But I am going to spray my pot with some Pam. And now we are going to put 2 sticks of butter. And we're going to do 1 cup of packed brown sugar, light brown sugar. Packed, y'all, packed.
Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah.
All right, you see how that's bubbling? So at this point, we want to cook this for 3 minutes. And I do add half a capful of vanilla to mine. I know y'all couldn't hear me. Now we're going to pour our homemade caramel sauce all over our crackers. Alright, now we want to take a spatula and we want to smooth this out on these crackers. Make sure you get them all covered. That looks good. Okay, y'all. Now you want to put that in your oven at 325, and you want to bake it for about 8 minutes. That caramel will be bubbling, and that's when you'll know to pull it out. At that point, you're going to take 2 cups of milk chocolate chips and drop all over them, and then you'll spread that out evenly with a spatula. And then we're going to add our red and green M&Ms after that. Now you could also add like sprinkles. You could add some little bit of glitter, which I might do. Nuts, all kinds of things, y'all. All right, so let's let this bake. All right, y'all. Now we are going to take 2 cups of milk chocolate chips. So this is the first cup. And then I have to do the second cup. And I need to add just a little bit more. And we're going to put that back in the oven for 1 minute. Alright, y'all, now we're going to take the chocolate and take our spatula and spread that down. Look, some of my chips aren't wanting to spread out. Oh my God, I thought I was filming the whole time and I wasn't. Alright, y'all, so what I did was I spread the milk chocolate chips all over the top here. And then I put miniature red and green M&Ms. And then I put chopped walnuts, or crushed walnuts rather, they're crushed. And then I am going to sprinkle just a little green glitter. And now what we do is we put this in the freezer until it gets really hard, and it'll probably be in there for about 20 minutes. Nibble it. All right, go ahead. Just bite it. Don't break it. Okay, Tyrone, I'm waiting.
Good. It's really good.
It's really good, isn't it? Want me to make a double batch?
Yeah.
Tyrone said he wants a double batch. But
It's
it's very good, isn't it? That's homemade caramel. Nibble said, Daddy, let me see it. Nibble, you can't have chocolate. Good with that cracker, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, y'all.